If you look closely, you will see the spider has a bald head. But once, in the old days, he had hair.
One day, word came that Anansi's mother-in-law had passed away. She left at once for the funeral.
She has passed. We grieve her loss.
Oh no.
You go ahead, my wife. I will follow soon. The moment she left,
What kind of man would I be, eating at a funeral?
he put on his mourning clothes and went to the funeral. There, the performance began.
Feed my friends. As for me, I shall do without. What kind of man would I be?
On the second and third days, they urged him to eat. Each time, he refused.
How can I eat? My wife's mother has been buried only 3 days.
On the fourth day, Anansi was alone and a pot of beans was cooking. He could not resist.
Just then, the others returned. Anansi looked at his hat.
The beans were burning his head. He jiggled his hat with his hands to ease the heat. Ah!
Now, in my village, the hat-shaking festival is happening. I shake my hat in honor.
The beans felt hotter than ever. He began to jump with pain.
Anansi, stop! Eat something!
Don't leave yet! I can't! I must go!
Where are you going so fast?
Something came up!
Come back!
But the pain was too much. Even with all his pride, he could not bear it anymore.
Anansi, you ate the funeral beans?
Ha! The trickster tricked himself.
Bold and greedy.
When the animals saw the beans on the spider's head, they stopped.
The spider leapt into the tall grass and cried, "Hide me!" And the grass hid him.
That is why the spider is found in tall grass and why his head is bald. Hey, I was only trying to be the greatest mourner anyone had ever seen. This has been a story of Anansi and the pride that cost him his hair.